Good morning, boys and girls. So, happy Monday. I hope you all had a great Easter yesterday and a wonderful spring break last week. It's kind of nice to just relax and not have to worry about school. Starting today, our work is going to look a little different. You guys are going to need to use your Journeys Reader's Notebook. Now, this is volume 2, so it has the little guy with the backpack on the back. I sent home volume 1 and volume 2, but at this point in the year, the stuff we need is from volume 2. So this book is going to be for your reading and writing. Each week we're going to get some words, just like when we were at school and we had our spelling words. So this week, since it's Monday, April 13th, 2020, we are going to have our focus sound of long O words. Now remember, when we have a long vowels say their name. So when I say a word that has the O sound, I hear O, O. Now I'm going to show you some of we're going to call these our spelling words this week. So our first one, I have so. Our next one's pretty easy too. Go. Then we have no. Now, those are fairly easy because they just have 2 letters. They have the first letter and then the O. Easy peasy. Now, the next few, they're special because they have that long O, but they also have that silent E at the end. Remember, silent E, you can't hear it when you say it, but you have to have it when you write it. So our next word is home. Then I have hole, like the rabbit lives in its hole. Next we have rope. Then I have joke. Notice these silent E's on the end. Next is bone. Then I have stove. And my last word is poke. Like I will poke the board. Or I will not poke my sister. So we can look at these words, and I'm going to just underline that long O in each word. Every O this week is a long O sound. So these words would be really great if you wanted to practice writing them on a piece of paper, writing them each in a sentence. Remember at school when we used to write them 3 times each, the one day with pencil, then 3 times each the next day with a crayon, 3 times each the next day with markers. If you want to do that, that would be awesome for your brain. Now I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing today in this Journeys book. So when you open it up, your very first page with work is where you're going to start. Now this says words with long O. You're going to read the word, circle the picture that matches each word. If you want to go back through, color the pictures, that would be wonderful. Then you're also going to do page 2. It says listen to the clues and read along. Circle the best answer to each clue. So you're going to think, this means in a circle. Is that around or think? If you go in a circle, you go around. Now another thing, these 2 pages are your only pages to do today in this book. Another thing that you can do is I put a link to a YouTube video. It's called Let's Go to the Moon. This week it's going to be talking about outer space and astronauts and going to the moon. So you can watch that either before or after you do this and hop back on in a little bit and you can see our math lesson for today. So this week, we're going to be using this book and our math book. So from here on out, those are the 2 books that you need. All right, I'll see you for math.